Hello guys, this is me, Kevin, and I'm going to open this box up, so let's look it up. Open it up. Oh, God. Dang it. This is brilliant. God, this is harder than I expected. Maybe that could work. What is this? What is this? God, dang it. I'm just going to open this tape up. Oh no. It's a Jack in the Box. Well, or a JFK in the box, but people called him Jack, so it's a Jack in the Box. So this is a bobblehead. I don't want to ruin it, so it's... yeah. Jesus Christ. They're so sophisticated. Yeah. Hey, it's JFK. Yeah, this is JFK. Oh God, this must be, I don't want to break it. So guys, this is JFK in the box. Oh, there it is. So there you go, guys. This is JFK. This is a Jack in the Box. This is not supposed to be here, but screw it. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video for a Jack in a Box. And we'll see you later next time. Bye.